This is a SwiftGlide project we've done in Sandhurst in Gloucestershire. 3 different systems in there. What you're looking at through the glass there is our 24-volt system in a big fixed picture window. That's coming down by electric remote control. These ones here are magnet operated SwiftGlide, operated by magnets in the bifolds. And these ones around here are solar electric, solar batteries, so we've got battery modules there and there. This is actually a garden studio, so this is controlled by electric remote control by this controller here. So we can stop it there, then tilt the blades there, like that, or turn around the other way, like that. So if you're interested in a project like this for your own home, give us a call at 0800 6102 610 or email us at sales@integralblinds.com. Take a look at the dress perimeter there, by the way, really smart. Metallic graphite dress perimeter with silver slats. Give us a call.